Hey guys, I'm back. Good morning. It's 9:45 in the morning. आज थोड़ा सा कफ और कोल्ड है, थोड़ा नोज़ ब्लॉक है मेरा. मैंने मेडिसिन ले ली है, सो होप फॉर द बेस्ट, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. सो आज का प्लान ये है कि अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ पुणे एक फ्रेंड को मिलने वहाँ पे, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी प्रॉब्ली मीटिंग माई sister over there. So then we'll go to FC and we'll do some shopping. एक बात मुझे पुणे की बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि उसका वेदर. आई मीन देखो ना, इट्स 9:40 इन द मॉर्निंग, फिर भी यू कैन सी सम फॉग आउट देयर. आई मीन द सन इज ऑल्सो आउट, but then it's still foggy out there. It's really cool. The temperature is around 13 to 14, I guess 14 degrees Celsius. And I would any day prefer the Jays better than UFO. That's the menu card. बारबेक्यू अपन लास्ट टाइम यूएफओ में खाया था. जे इन द जंगल तंदूरी चिकन, तंदूरी सॉस, shredded चिकन टॉप विद चिली गार्लिक. तंदूरी चिकन फ्राइज, तंदूरी सॉस, shredded चिकन प्लस टॉप विद चिली गार्लिक. Excuse me. One tandoori chicken fries.
One tandoori chicken fries.
Yeah. So for the vegetarian friends, I would prefer them to buy. If they love spicy, then I would suggest chili cheese fries. Or if they don't want chili cheese fries, then they can go for mayo chili fries or BBQ cheese fries. And for the non-vegetarian friends, last time I had BBQ chicken fries and they were superb. So I tried this time tandoori chicken fries. If anyone wants add-ons, then they can add. And beverages, I would prefer iced tea because the iced tea over here is superb. And yeah, milkshakes, if anyone loves milkshakes, then Oreo milkshake is the best. Or I prefer Nutella Monaco milkshake for something sweet and salty, as Monaco is a bit salty. So, or Belgium chocolate shake. Oh, I should have tried that. Tandoori chili fries. Iced tea for myself because it was quite spicy, or I was thirsty.
Spicy?
And I was thirsty, not spicy. I was thirsty. Jay's Cafe is that they properly marinate it, and chicken is shredded, so it's easier for us to eat. Good evening guys, I'm home and it's 1:49, almost 1:50, and it took me around 45 minutes to reach. And then so I went to the Jay's Cafe today and I had tandoori chili fries which were amazing. I means those aren't my favorite ones. I would prefer the Jay in the Jungle if you are non-vegetarian. But I had already tried the Jay in the Jungle, so I wanted to try tandoori chili fries, which were good. The Jay in the Jungle is superb because they have many toppings over the fries with some shredded chickens and all. So, and for my vegetarian friends, I would suggest you to buy BBQ fries, veg BBQ fries, or double cheese fries. So, guys, there is a reason why I like the J over UFO because, firstly, about the J's is that they cut the fries into medium pieces, while on the other hand, when you go to UFO, you will get this large big size fries which you have to cut in medium size yourself and then have to stuff in your mouth. And secondly, the most important thing, when I went to the UFO, the fries weren't really mixed. और जब मैं the J's गया था, so over there they marinate and mix the fries properly, which tends to enhance the flavor and the taste of the fries with some shredded chicken over it. Why? और यूएफओ में जब मैं गया था, I ordered some sweet onion fries or something, sweet onion fries with cheese or something like that. What they did was they only kept a small amount of fries at the bottom, which led to the onion sauce soak into it, and then it started dripping down from the cone. I felt, and regarding the price, the prices are same. Whereas if you go to the J's Cafe, you will get chicken fries starting from 140. So which is worth. And guys, UFO has only veg menu and no non-veg menu, so I hardly recommend you to go to the J's Cafe. So that's it, guys. So guys, I feel that the J's is way more better than UFO. It's just my suggestions. And but then there's one drawback of the J is that you won't get to sit down. You just have to stand and then eat. ठीक है, उतना एडजस्ट कर लेंगे हम. टेस्ट इज व्हाट दैट मैटर्स. अगर टेस्ट ही अच्छा नहीं होगा, then how would you expect the customers to come and visit? If you are craving to eat fries, then I would prefer the J's. And by the way, in Pune, there are two outlets. One is in Baner High Street near Cummins company, and then the second is in FC Road in front of the FC College Gate 1. It's next to UFO only. Whenever you crave for fries, guys, you can go to the J's. I highly recommend J's. And if you are eating non-veg, then go for the J in the Jungle. It's really very good. And if you aren't non-vegetarian and you want to try veg, then I would suggest go for chili fries or go for barbecue fries, which are really good. If you like spicy, go for chili fries. If you want some saucy and some yummy fries, juicy fries, then go for barbecue, I suggest. So guys, for now, bye.
You come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown.